The red spot double sold. So we're going to be giving Randy. Randy, you're going to be getting a refund. Sorry about that. Red's double sold. Looks like JDZ got it before you. All right, so 28, 29, 30. All right, y'all, let's rip. Let's rip. Welcome back to Mojobreak.com. My name is Jacob. Today we're going to be breaking 2023 Bowman Jumbo 4-box. This is going to be PYT number 10, everybody. I'll go ahead and read the full list of names. M. Wood, D-backs, Charleston, Braves, Red Sox, Crane Andrews, Orioles, Rando Knicks, Cubs, Ben Vick with the White Sox, JDZ Reds, Carl C. with the Guardians, Emeralds with the Rockies, Joe Locust with the Tigers, Royals, Northwest Royale, Houston Astros, SEL with the Angels, M Century Dodgers, Bever with the Marlins, Douglas with the Brewers, Deckhouse Twins, CHV Mets, BRS Yankees, Bocce A's, Sacentur with the Phillies, Wally and Me Pirates, Coat Padres, SEL with the Giants, Carl with the Mariners, G B Morrison with the Cardinals, JG with the Rays, YUI with the Rangers, Black 780 with the Blue Jays, Furhan with the Nationals. Good luck, everybody. So that's select EPL unless Bowman's best case is sold out. We're going to be ripping that select EPL as soon as we're done with this. I got that random ready to go. So we're going to be ripping select EPL as soon as this break is done. Unless that Bowman's best case sells out. Again, we just discounted those last 23 teams. Link is in the chat. Go fill it up.
I also just discounted Bowman Jumbo 11 and the Contenders football.
Contenders football. Let's go. All right. On the dot. What's going on, Majo Mojo? Box one. Good luck. Good luck. First auto. Let's go. We got autos. Let's go. Joe Stewart. Angels. Atomic. Joe Stewart. First auto is going to be a Joe Stewart Atomic for those Los Angeles Angels. Let me just go grab some top loaders. Can you grab me 55-point top loaders? One of you guys. Do you mind? I don't think there's any right in here, right?
I saw some earlier. I was organizing it.
Why'd you move all my top loaders?
Oh, these are right here?
From the middle shelves, dude.
Okay, I got them.
Yes.
I got them. Never mind. I think I got some. Here we go. Sorry about that.
The space wasn't being used efficiently.
Regular. Okay, yeah, I
Okay,
think.
I'll
Okay, appreciate it. Gonna get the right top loaders for that. I'll do a quick recap of the autos at the end as well. Let's continue. Sights on September. Matt McClain. Paper. Spotlight. Michael Harris the second. Atlanta Braves spot. Modern Prospects, Elijah Green.
Like they were here the whole time. I just remembered it.
There's a whole
Oh, man. Appreciate it, Shane. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. right. Here's that Joe Stewart from earlier. Atomic. I'll put this right there. Also. All right. Rookie of the Year favorites, Tristan Cassis. Pink paper out of 299, Brian Acuna. That's going to be for the Minnesota Twins spot. Sights on September, Henry Davis, Pittsburgh Pirates. Modern Prospects, Jackson Churio. Blue coming up. Looks like a true blue. Out of 150, Dean Jorge. Colorado Rockies spot getting the Bowman Chrome. Dean Jorge. Auto. For that's going to be a green paper out of 399. Cardinals. Auto. Jorge Ruiz, another Angel. Angels starting off hot. Base. Jorge Ruiz for the Angel spot. Angels killing it early. Jorge Ruiz. SEL, congrats. Killing it so far. I got 2 autos already for the Angels. Drew Jones, Bowman Scouts. Rookie of the Year favorite, Jordan De Los Santos. Still looking for one more auto. This first box. Sights on September. Shedeni Rafaela, Boston Red Sox. Spotlights. Yankees, Roderick Arias, Yankee spot. Oscar Colas, Modern Prospects. Green refractor coming up. Green refractor, Samuel Zavala, San Diego Padres spot. Auto, third one, good luck. Pirates, Termarr Johnson. Nice one for the Pirates. Let's see what color. Green grass, Termarr Johnson out of 99. Pirates. Wally and me, congrats. Termarr Johnson, green grass. We love our green grass. Termarr Johnson, green grass refractor. Getting the third auto of the first box. Congrats. Drew Jones, Modern Prospects. Looks like a yellow lunar coming up. Should be out of 75. Good luck, good luck. Paper. Matt Mervis out of 75 for the Cubs. One of the last teams bought. Cubbies. Randy. Let's go, Randy. Sorry about those Reds, but he got you a Matt Mervis out of 75. Let's go. Rookie of the Year favorites, Garrett Mitchell, Modern Prospects, Dean Jorge. All right, that's going to do it for box 1. That was a good first box for sure. Angels killed it. Angels up early. 2 autos already for the Angels. Let's go, Pickle Rips. I hope they do. I hope everybody does. That's their #1 prospect too, Termarr Johnson. Pretty sure that is the Pirates. They don't have too many guys in this, but that's definitely the main one. No problem. I always say it just because you never know with these prospects. You never know when they're actually for real going to debut. But Matt Mervis is actually he debuted. Not exactly sure how he's doing. If he's still in the league currently or he got demoted, but he did get called up to the big leagues, the show as they call it. Matt Mervis, that is. Nice. That's what I read when I was reading that article about Matt Mervis debuting. They were saying they're probably going to keep him the whole year because it's not like they're really playing for much anyways, you know. But all right, box 2. Good luck. Good luck. Yeah. Just like everyone else in the majors, growing pains for sure. Sounds about right. All right, first auto, Jorge Burgos, Cleveland Guardians spot. Let's see what color. Refractor. We're definitely getting some color here early. Let's go. Refractor. Jorge Burgos, Cleveland Guardians. Carl C. Getting the Jorge Burgos refractor. First one of box 2. Spotlight. Is that Ellie De La Cruz, Cincinnati Red spot? Paper. Still looking for 2 more autos. This. Yeah, I agree. I know Comrade was telling me that he was like one of the older guys, so it's weird how like his first Bowman Chrome is coming out this year, right? It just doesn't always like make sense how they do that, but hoping the best for him. Paper out of 75, Drew Jones. Paper, Bowman first, Drew Jones. Arizona D-back spot, getting the Drew Jones. Learn on the job. Yep, that sounds about right. Get a smaller top loader for this. Drew Jones. Out of 75, Drew Jones. Congrats, M. Wood. That's going to be part of the recap as well at the end. Sights on September. George Valera. Modern Prospects. Ellie De La Cruz. Let's go, Cardinals. Come on, Graham. Second auto. Wait, we already get an auto? Yeah, we did. All right. Lazaro Montez, Seattle Mariners. Let's see what color. Base. Lazaro Montez. Going to be for the Seattle Mariners spot. Carl C. again. Congrats, Carl. I think I called your name already once. Mariners, Lazaro Montez. Paper. Rookie of your favorites, Gabriel Moreno. Modern Prospects, Christian Hernandez. All right, first half. Two autos. Still looking for one more. Yeah, definitely. That's probably the best paper card you can get. Drew Jones, that is at least. You know Yordan. He ain't no Yordan Alvarez. Auto, Fraley Encarnacion, Boston. True Blue, Fraley Encarnacion at a 150. There's not a lot of guys that are Yordan Alvarez, right? He might be the one of one, matter of fact. The best, he's probably one of the better DHs in the league right now. Boston Red Sox. Charleston. Purple, Cam Collier, another non-auto. Hitting, though. Reds getting the purple out of 250. JDZ. Cam Collier, one of the better chase rookies in Bowman. Cam Collier at a 250. Purple. Well, if you don't get Cam Collier, Drew Jones autos, we'll take a numbered purple chrome, whichever. We'll take it. Right? Let's go. Spotlight. Texas. Is that a Anthony Gutierrez, Texas Ranger spot? Modern Prospects, Termar Johnson. Green refractor coming up. Cole Young, Mariners. Let's go with that auto from earlier. All paper. Cam Collier base again. Haven't seen a Barry, though. Still waiting to call that double Barry. Haven't called one in a while. Maybe I scared him away. Rookie of the Year favorites, Francisco Alvarez at #1 rated prospects. Last time I looked. Francisco Alvarez, that is. All right, that's it for box 2. All right, box 3. Good luck. If you guys are wondering what's next, again, we're going to be running Select EPL Soccer. Most likely, I'll go ahead and check on that Bowman's Best. Okay, still going to be 23 spots in Bowman's Best. Looks like we're going to be doing Select EPL Soccer next. Still have some time to sell that out, though, however, if you guys are interested in breaking that Bowman's Best case next. That'll be number 35. Otherwise, it's going to be Select EPL Soccer, which is ready to go whenever we finish this, and I can file and everything. Run that random, though. Not feel that AC at all, man. It is a little toasty here. Dang, dude, we really got Cam Cully, Matt Mervis, Andrew Jones, non-autos, numbered cards, that very first one. That's crazy. All right, this is box 3. Good luck. Sights on September. Andy Pages, Dodgers, Simon Wan, Modern Prospects. Rookie of the Year favorites, Francisco Alvarez, paper. First auto, Tommy Specht, Texas Rangers. Let's see what color Tommy Specht. Atomic, Tommy Specht. Let's go, Rangers. I was reading up on Tommy Specht. I heard the Rangers have one of the best like development systems nowadays. Supposedly, it's according to that article, and they were saying this guy is definitely a sleeper. Tommy Speck, Atomic, out of 100. You guys can let me know if you disagree, though. That's just the article I read, so opinion based, but need to do more of my own research, of course. Blue, Juan Brito, Colorado Rockies, out of 150. True Blue, out of 150. Rocky spot. Also, that is 150 out of 150, by the way. That is the last one. That is an eBay 101. However you want to title that. All paper, second auto. Colin Palouse, Oaktown, Sparkle out of 299. Speckle. Out of 299. Oakland A spot. YUI is getting that Tommy Speck, and Colin Palouse, Oakland Athletics, is going to be going to Bocce. Congrats, Colin Palouse. Still looking for one more auto, this third box. Spotlights. Christian Vaquero, Washington Nationals. Carlos Colmenares, Modern Prospects. Jacob Berry, there he is. There's a single Berry. Longer and longer East cars. Let's go. Yeah, I am. Hey, that's what it's about, man. Coming with the right information. Rookie of the Year favorites, Josh Jung. Green paper out of 399, Jay Savina. Brew Crew. Also, just ripping so much Bowman. You know, you start to talk about them, get to know them a little more, things like that. One more auto we're looking for. Sights on September, Kumar Rocker, Texas Rangers. Auto coming up. Jorge Ruiz again. Angels. I think that's the third one for the Angels. Jorge Ruiz. Base this time, though. Jorge Ruiz. Angels. Selk. SELC. Congrats. I think that's the third one for you this break. Third Angels auto. I believe so. Paper, Spotlight, Cardinals, Nolan Gorman. Ellie De La Cruz, Modern Prospects. Got a green refractor coming up. Miguel Blaze, Boston Red Sox spot, green refractor. Sights on September, Curtis Mead. Definitely. Oh, sorry. There's a card behind that one as well. Christian Hernandez, Modern Prospects. Ton of paper. Oh, there's a blue paper. Tristan Casas out of 499, Boston Red Sox spot. Rookie of the Year favorites, Adley Rutschman. Sounds about right. Termar Johnson, Modern Prospects. Doubleberry. There he is. Now auto, though. All right, that's it for box 3. Box 4. Good luck. Good luck. Heat Knicks going down to the wires. First half almost done. 44-41. I got the Heat, to be honest. I'm taking Jimmy Butler over anybody in that series. ATL Draco. ATL Draco. Double berry, baby. Let's go for the triple. I've seen one paper, one chromium card. Let's see the auto, Jacob Berry. Sights on September, Andy Pages, Dodgers, Modern Prospects, Simon Juan. Auto, Wilmer Flores, Detroit Tigers, base. Wow. That might be the best Wilmer Flores auto I have ever seen, to be honest. And it's with a regular, like, thin tip Sharpie. Usually this guy shines with the... Let's go, Graham. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. First one, box 4. It's all paper. Rookie of the Year favorites, Brett Beatty, Modern Prospects, Jackson Holiday. Pulled a blue auto of him yesterday. Auto coming up. Good luck. Lisandro Rodriguez. Out of 299. Speckle refractor. Kansas City Royals. That's going to be Joe L. Congrats. Second auto of box 4. Still looking for one more. Last one of the break. Spotlights. Christian Vaquero, Nationals. Modern Prospects, Carlos Colmenares, that is. Rookie of the Year favorites, Gabriel Moreno.
I believe the word you're looking for, Coach, or
Purple paper out of 199, Nelson Rada for the Los Angeles Angels. SELC again. Speckle coming up out of 299, Brady House, Nationals out of 299. Still looking for one more auto. Sights on September, Kumar Rocker. One more auto we're looking for. Spotlight. Cardinal spot, Nolan Gorman. Paper. Green refractor coming up. Green refractor, set in Rafaela. Boston Red Sox spot. Lava, Framey De Leon out of 399. Another Red Sox. Auto. Detroit Tigers, Houston Astros. Wilmer Flores again. Another one. See what color. Go. Oh, this is a yellow. I'm sure. I caught myself, though. I didn't say gold. I said yellow. This is out of 75. Wilmer Flores. Detroit. Joe L. Congrats. Yellow Wilmer Flores out of 75. And that is the last one of the break, I believe. Again, I'll do a recap at the end for everybody, briefly. If you guys are wondering what is next, I'm pretty sure we're going to be doing Select EPL Soccer. I don't think that Bowman's Best is sold out yet. So get ready for that Select EPL Soccer if you guys are waiting for it. All paper. Christian Vaquero, paper. Angels are cleaning up. Angels had a great break. All right, everybody. That is it. That is going to do it. So that was 2023 Bowman Jumbo 4-box PYT number 10, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Congrats to all the hitters, low numbered parallels. I'll do a quick recap before I get the next break going. Yellow, Wilmer Flores out of 75. That one's for you, Randy. Lisandro Rodriguez out of 299, Kansas City Royal spot. Wilmer Flores, base. Another one for the Tigers. Jorge Ruiz, one of the 3 autos for the Angels. Angels killed it. Colin Palouse, speckle out of 299, Oakland A spot. Tommy Specht, Atomic out of a hundo, Texas Ranger spot. Cam Collier out of 250, purple, no auto. Fraley Encarnacion out of 150 for the Boston Red Sox spot. Lazaro Montes, Seattle Mariners spot, base. Drew Jones, yellow out of 75, Drew Jones. Jorge Burgos, refractor out of 499, Guardian spot. Termar Johnson, we love our green grass. Termar Johnson out of 99, Pittsburgh Pirates spot. Jorge Ruiz, base for the Angels, another one for the Angels. Another one, last one, Joe Stewart, Atomic, LA Angels. Congratulations. All right, everybody, that was the break. All right. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the random. All right. Random. All right, everybody. Welcome to Mojobreak.